Okay, we're at GoToMath.com. This will be the last problem of this section, thank goodness. Ugh. I'm always excited to get started on another section. That's for sure. So we got the square root of 5 minus 2x. So at this point, if you've been following through all the problems of this section, I'm thinking you should probably get to test yourself on this one, and hopefully you'll get it right. Alright. Okay, is equal to 1. Did we do that already? I don't know. So, right, the entire universe boils down to one equation, and it turns out that it's all equal to 1. And unfortunately, 1 is the loneliest number. And maybe that is, our little blue planet is the loneliest. Some people actually think is the there we'll give it some eyes. That's Earth. Is the loneliest planet in the universe. We're the only planet with life. Now that would be amazing. With intelligent life, I should say. Wait a minute. 2 can be just as lonely as 1. Maybe 2 was Mars at one time. I don't know. I guess we better get busy here. What do we need to do? Well, we're going to do what we've been doing, and that's take that over to the right-hand side. Myself, I have a hard time believing that we are the only planet in the universe that has intelligent life. Man, I just got a hard time believing all that. You know? I mean, that's doesn't sound right to me, but considering how big the universe is, we're not even sure how big it is, I don't think. Somebody calculated the volume on that yet? We need to square both sides to get rid of this radical. Question is, if there is another planet with intelligent life, are they doing math? And I'm going to go out on a line on that one and say yes. I mean, don't they have to be doing math? How could they not have a language like math? I mean, how could you have an advanced civilization and not have the math language? I mean, they might be using different symbols, different notations, and have driven up some different types of theorems. But I'm like, how can you get away with that? I mean, I just don't see it happening. So, hopefully YouTube finds another world, Google does, and gets over there and sets up some routers. Oh Lord. Let's see. And they can watch my YouTube videos somewhere else in the universe. Okay. That's actually interesting. You know, there's one of these companies are working on that. 1 times 1 is 1 squared. So that's 1. Then 1 times square root of 6 is square root of 6 plus x. Square root of x plus 6 is what I meant to say times 1, so we're going to get 2 of them. But you know, here's the situation with that. We've got countries here on this planet that have blocked out YouTube. Now I just find that a complete shame. You know? Square root of x times the square root of x plus 6 times square root of x plus 6 is x plus 6. I mean, it really is. It's terrible. You know? It is terrible. We got 6 plus 1 is 7. Does anybody know that? Let's go ahead and take things over here the left. So we have, take that x over. I'm going to end up making a mistake because I'm talking too much. 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring that over. My cursor's not working very well today. I guess it had its coffee or something. Something's not right. Alright, let me see what's going on here. Where are we? Let's see. Negative 3x. When I move my 5 minus, it's negative 2. I move the thing, it kind of sticks. I'll be glad when I get a computer I can write on the screen, because I'll tell you what, my handwriting will be 1000% better. That's for sure. Negative 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 times the square root of x plus 6. I'm just glad for this to be the last problem of this section, to be honest with you. Let's go ahead and factor out that negative. But that takes money, and I don't have it. I don't have that kind of cash. We're going to square both sides. We got to get rid of this radical. Could eat a bad boy. Square both sides. You know, if old Bill there in Washington could help me out, I could help a lot of people out. He just helped me out. I could help a lot of people out. We got the square that negative. Bam, goes away. You know what? Let's just write this. We're squared the negative, and negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, so that goes away. Let's see, that's going to be 4, and then we got x plus 6. How's that? Let me go ahead and distribute this across. 4x plus 24. Yes, with some high-speed internet and a computer screen I could write on, I could probably do a course in a month easily. One course each month. Yep, no problem. We got 3x squared, so that's 3x times 3x, that's 9x squared. I mean, he's only got like 80 billion. I don't know. Can you imagine having that much money? I wouldn't even know what to do. I'd probably still be eating rice. Ramen noodles. 3x, 9x squared. See, 3x times 2, 6x. 2 times 3x is 6x. That's 12x. I mean, seriously, what do you do with that kind of money for? You know, you go to the grocery store and it's a completely different mindset. Can I afford this? I mean, that doesn't even come into your vocabulary. Have that kind of money. It's just nuts. Minus 4x. I mean, it's not just at the grocery store, it's everywhere you go. Whatever. Thinking life might be boring then. And I might end up overweight. 9x squared. Okay, so what do we got? We got 9x squared. 12x minus 4x is 3x. Minus 20. Now they do. They give a lot of money away. They help a lot of charities out, from what I understand. I think I already made a mistake. Too much talking. I could have converted that 3 into an 8 though. Right, 12 minus 4 is 8x. Okay. What else is going on? Minus 20. Okay, that looks good. Oh, now we got the Chinese puzzle here again. I should work these out before I just write the problem down. Look, I'll work it out on the fly. Okay. That number's not very big. 20. 5 and 4. Oh no, it can't be 5 and 4.